of your pockets. Arch your back, puff out your chest. Add some swagger to your gait hole. You look like a masturbate hole. Fix your posture, then the rest.
But I am a masturbate.
We'll fix that. All your nerdiness is ugly.
Nerd? I thought it was a little geek.
All your stammering's a chore.
What?
Tics and fidgets are persistent, and your charm is non-existent. Fix your vibe, then fix some more. No, stop. Oh, everything about you is so terrible. Oh, everything about you makes me wanna die. So don't freak out and don't resist, and have no doubt if I assist you will be more chill. First things first, go buy a new shirt.
What's wrong with my shirt?
Better if you just comply. My job's to color your aesthetic and make you seem much less pathetic. So just step and fetch, don't ask me why.
How are you with math?
I'm a supercomputer, Jack. I made him. Oh, everything about you is so terrible.
It sucks. Everything about it sucks.
Oh, everything about you makes me wanna die.
It sucks. Everything about it sucks.
All the people in the mall think you are such a slob.
You're a slob. Terrible. Such a slob.
Oh, can I see why? Now you, try picking a shirt. That's a girl.
Jerry?
Jeremy.
Shop here?
Oh yeah, all the
Never.
time. Never. That's what I...
Read the beta.
Hey, Brooke.
You look sexy.
Say that to a hot girl?
Don't smile. Stare intensely. Speak like you don't care about your own death. Look in the blue, sexy.
Is that a girl shirt?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
I saw it in the window, and I couldn't dismiss.
I couldn't dismiss.
I was dating a girl. She had a shirt just like this.
She had a shirt just like this.
It's still painful.
It's still painful.
So who was this on the circle?
He's probably Madeline. What? She's friend.
Oh, she's not. She just pretends to be for attention.
I mean,
Broke up with her.
I broke up with her.
Cause she was cheating on me.
She was cheating on me.
Hey, Hamlet, be more chill.